How to combine and blend photos in Canva. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So after logging into your Canva account, you just have to simply click on create, and then you just have to select a file format you want to edit your file as. So let's say this is the one, and after opening it you just have to simply add two images which you want to blend together. Let's say one is this one and another one is this one, and after that you just have to simply click on apps from here and search for image blender. And as we can see, this is the option we are talking about, the image blender. And after clicking on image blender, you can see there are multiple formats to edit or blend. So first of all, you need to click on the picture or image you want to edit. So you can try linear type, radial type, or brush type. So for the brush type, you need the premium version or the pro version of Canva. So if you select on linear type, you can see we can edit the image as our liking, like this one, and then you have to click on save to save this file, and then you just have to simply select the other image, and then you just have to select the file or format for blend. So let's say this is the format I want to blend in. So after that you just have to select the image like this, and you just have to click on save. And after saving the image, you can just add your image like this, and as you can see, you can add your image like this one, and you can merge the file as like this, and you can just select both the photos together and drag and set it to your image size, and then you can just click on share and you can export your blended image. So that's it for this video. That's how you can combine and blend photos in Canva. See you on the next one, guys.